Irani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today our student discusses for design thinking video. The topic name is cooperative bank. First we will start by the outline.
A cooperative bank is a financial institution that is owned and controlled by its members, who are also its customers. Unlike commercial banks, profits are often shared among members, and members likely have a say in the bank's decision-making process. They provide services like savings, loans, and various digital banking options to both members and the public. Although they may criticize members of loans, ownership cooperative banks are owned by their members, whereas commercial banks are likely owned by shareholders. Profit motive cooperative banks focus on serving their members, while commercial banks are profit driven for their external shareholders. Decision making in cooperative banks is more democratic, with members having a vote on matters affecting the bank.
Cooperative banks offer advantages like financial inclusion for rural and underserved communities, lower interest rates on loans and higher rates on deposits, customer-centric services with a focus on member needs, and community development through local support and initiatives. They are also managed democratically with members having equal share in the reality. Community and customer benefit. Financial inclusion. They provide banking services to individuals and communities that are often unresolved by traditional banks. Personalized services. With the customer-centric approach, they can provide customized services and building meaningful relationships with members. Lower cost. Cooperative banks typically have minimal fees and can offer more competitive interest rates for loans and deposits compared to commercial banks. Community development. They focused on local needs, promoting financial literacy and supporting local business and rural development projects.
Cooperative banks. A strategy of the banks, including student with governments and political pressure, can lead to mismanagement. Other problems of financial weakness due to high non-performance assets and low capitalization, technological backwardness, and lack of expertise in management. Deregulating by state governments and RBI can also cause confused and deduction.
Primary objectives. The financial institution provided access to financial services like the saving and credit to members. How many under service by commercial bank? They promoting the local economic development to support the local growth communities. They provide a very local business partners and the entrepreneurs. They providing approved service to offer the bank the service at the low cost and prioritizing members from high invested money lenders. Number requires to service the finance the needs the members to operate on the principle of no profit no loss for their total benefits.
Key benefits of cooperatives. Member-owned customers are also member and stakeholders giving their ownership in the bank. Democratic member control. The operate of the principle of one person one vote, ensuring equality voting right and democratic management structure. Non-profit motive. The primary goal of a member is the financial needs of member, not generating profit for the stakeholders. Profit share. Any surplus is distributed among members as dividend or rewards reinvest back into the bank to enhance its capital and service. Voluntary and opening membership. Individuals can join or leave their cooperative and voluntarily. Democratic management. The board of directors is elected by the member to administrate the bank operates. Service to members. They provide a range of a banking service such as loans and deposits at reasonable rates to support their members' financial needs. Local and community focus. They offer service and specific programs or professional communities and priorities communities develop their projects and financial literacy programs.
Thank you, student. Your discussion